The graph below shows the velocity function of a particle in feet per second. Velocity function. Estimate the total distance traveled by the particle in the first 7 seconds. All right, first things first. They don't want where we're at. They want the total distance traveled. And they're asking us to estimate, but since this is a calculator section, we'll actually use our calculator to come up with the most accurate thing that we can. Now, taking the integral of the velocity gets us distance traveled. What the integral gives us is the area under the curve. So this is what I want to figure out. I want to figure out all of these areas. And I know down here is a negative area, but again, what I want is the total distance traveled. So if you think logically, like if I were to take 5 steps forward, 3 steps back, that's 8 steps total. Now 5 steps forward, 3 steps back is a displacement of 2. I don't want displacement. I want to find all of this area, all of that area, and all of that area added together. So let's see what I have. First things first is I have a triangle with a base of 1 and a height of 1. Okay, not only do I have that though, but I have another one right here and another one right here. So what I have so far is 3 triangles with a base of 1 and a height of 1. So the triangles part is going to be 3 times half times base times height. Okay, those are going to be my triangles. I also have, and we're going to go with the easy shapes first, a square with a base of 1 and a height of 1. So my square is just going to be 1 times 1. I think I can handle that without a calculator, but I'm going to use it anyway. But what I do want the calculator for is this third part. I have a quarter of a circle and a half of a circle. So in all, I have I have 3 quarters of a circle. My circle has a radius of 1, so pi r squared, so 3 quarters pi 1 squared. Okay, so this is how I'm going to handle this problem. I'm going to type all of this into my calculator. Okay, even though it is an estimate, and maybe I don't need to, but I'm still going to type it into my calculator to get the most accurate result that I can. All right, so we've got ourselves 3 triangles, so 3 times 1 half times 1 times 1 plus 1 square, so 1 times 1. And then we've got our 3 quarters of a circle, so 0.75 times pi times 1 squared, even though it seems redundant. We're doing it anyway. And we'll get 4.85, so that rounds up nicely to 5-ish, so we'll go back and make it 5-ish. And since I got somewhere in the 5-ish range, the answer is going to be 5. And that's how you do it.